Hi and welcome to this new series of Epson ColorWorks videos. My name is Adam Samuel and I am the product manager for the Epson Color Label printer range. I'm here today with the ColorWorks C6500 AE printer and we're going to explore this relatively new feature of high-speed batch label printing. Our Epson engineers have managed to improve the Epson driver so that when using HSBLP mode, the printer fits as many of your desired labels onto a single page of 600mm. This turns multiple label jobs into just one, therefore increasing the speed of the print run. This feature is available from driver 1.040 onwards. For this demonstration, I've pre-selected 10 labels to print. Choose your printer. Click on the Preferences tab, select the driver utility and then the driver preferences. Then select HSBLP mode, click OK and print. It's as simple as that. Now you know how to do it, let's see the impact of this feature versus normal printing. Now that you've seen this in action, I'm sure you can appreciate when it comes to large print runs, this time-saving feature will become invaluable.